campaign lawyers who, in court filings, wrote all available evidence suggests the election was, quote, not tainted by fraud or mistake.
He wants to investigate something that can clearly be proven to be false.
The president also using Twitter to send a message to Chicago, writing, quote, if Chicago doesn't fix the horrible carnage going on, 228 shootings in 2017 with 42 killings, up 24% from 2016, I will send in the feds. The Reverend Jesse Jackson responded to that, writing, quote, we need a plan, not a threat. The president also announced his pick for the Supreme Court will be coming next Thursday. And as we're awaiting details about the proposed immigration actions today, sources tell ABC News to expect that it will deal with immigration and refugees from Muslim areas. Lana Zach, ABC News, Washington.
A Secret Service agent is under intense scrutiny today after saying she would not take a bullet for the president. Now, according to CNN, in October, Agent Carrie O'Grady posted on Facebook saying, quote, I would take jail time over a bullet or an endorsement for what I believe to be disaster to this country. O'Grady told reporters she took down the post after a few days. Those posts were just made public in an article by the Washington Examiner. The Secret Service says that they will take appropriate action. And ABC News' David Muir has been granted the first one-on-one interview with President Donald Trump since he took office. And you can see that interview right here on ABC 7. It's tonight at 10 p.m. ABC 7 is on storm watch. A beautiful day in our area, but other parts of the country are seeing strong winds while getting slammed with snow. Ginger Z is tracking the wicked weather.
Slide-offs and tow-outs littering highways across the plains. Up to a foot of snow in South Dakota. Plus 35-mile-per-hour winds making visibility almost impossible. A 100-mile section of I-90 in western South Dakota shut down. And in the Northeast, dangerous ice, inches of sleet, and up to 9 inches of snow in Pennsylvania have folks digging out this morning. In Vermont, Burlington Airport rushing to clear the runways.
There's no matter what you can do to keep up with it when it's really snowing heavy.
In Rochester, New York, 2 women killed after losing control of their vehicle on slick roads. And in Massachusetts,
just heard this ungodly boom.
Punishing 60-mile-per-hour winds toppling trees, one crashing onto this house.
I jumped up. It scared daylights out of me.
Violent nor'easter waves gnawing away at the coast.
Wow, so much trouble in so many parts of the country. Should we feel a little bit guilty around here, do you think, Doug?
Well, yeah, kind of in a way, maybe not, I don't know. But we've had our share. And listen, it's just a matter of time, not if we get really bad weather. It's just a question of when that happens, because you know it will. But in the meantime today, absolutely gorgeous, Mel. Temperatures in the upper 50s. Look at that, a live shot now from National Harbor. Beautiful, clear skies and temperatures well above average already and climbing even higher. 54 right now at Reagan National. Look at the wind direction. That's key out of the south, bringing the warmer temperatures. And notice the wind speeds much, much lower than recent days. So clouds and temperature-wise, you got to go north to find any cloudiness. You know, there's not going to be much of that to see here at all. We'll see temperatures continuing to rise. It's 55 in Leesburg now and in Fredericksburg, 54 in Baltimore, 55 in Annapolis, 52 degrees in Winchester, and 54 again at Reagan National. I just noticed 62 right now in Charlottesville. So today we're going to call for highs about 58 degrees, close to that, with plenty of sunshine. Very, very nice weather here, and temperatures are not going to fall all that much tonight. We're in a flow of warm air ahead of a cold front. Now here's what's going to happen tonight as the cold front approaches. The winds will stay out of the south. The clouds will increase with temperatures pinned between 46 and 50 degrees overnight. And then we'll see the progression here on our ABC 7 Futurecast that the clouds come in and also a few scattered showers. Now, this is one model rendering. It doesn't mean that this is the exact spot and this is the exact spot where it'll be rain at 1:30. It just gives you an idea that there'll be a broken line of showers moving through the area. And by 6 in the morning, if this model's on track, most of that threat will be to the east and southeast. We'll get back to sunshine tomorrow. It'll be breezy and it'll be a bit cooler, but still in the mid-50s. That's pretty good. And we get it ahead of Friday, then the colder air will arrive. So Friday, we're calling for partly cloudy, breezy weather, highs to 45 degrees, and extending our outlook through the next 10 days. Give you 7 of them first. 58 today, mid-50s tomorrow, breezy 45 degrees on Friday. The weekend looks great. Average temperatures for us for the weekend, a bit colder. Matter of fact, today the warmest of the next 10, Monday the coldest of the next 10 with highs of 39 degrees. We'll bounce up one day with another warm front on Tuesday, the last day of the month, 52. And then on Wednesday, the first day of February, 46 degrees. Thursday, we know what day that is. It's Groundhog Day. It'll be sunny and 40. And the question is, what will the little rat up in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania do? Will he see his shadow? Will he not?
Well, you've got the sun up there.
All I can tell you is for sure is the entire city of Punxsutawney will fulfill their annual budget in one day.
They will.
Happens
And we
every year.
will all be
Yep.
watching too. All right, Doug, thank you. Well, a scary crash at the DMV, and the person who crashed was actually taking a driver's test. We'll get details on what happened after the break. And back to that breaking news out of Northwest Washington. Protesters, yes, they are still up there on that crane with a banner that says resist. And they've been up there for about 5 hours now. We'll be right back.
Do you need perfect credit?
Nope.
Want to buy a car but can't get it?